Everybody, law enforcement in Cheatham County are working to put an end to drug abuse. I'm now joined by Tanya Garton and Lieutenant Shannon Heflin for more on an event they have planned. But I want to start with you, Tanya, to talk about the Quintenn Clark Foundation, because that's what this event is all about and why it got started. Tell us about Quintenn and your mission in his honor.
Quintenn was a 20-year-old, very popular kid in Cheatham County, all-star athlete, and he happened to struggle with addiction for the last 2 years of his life, and unfortunately he passed away from a fentanyl overdose, and he wanted others to heal. He wanted to help others, even though he couldn't help himself. So his dad and I had decided that we wanted to continue that mission. We want to help others. We don't want others to feel the way that we have felt. We want people to know they're not alone and there is recovery and help out there. So we're putting on an event to raise money for that, to help raise awareness, to help those who would like to have recovery, to be able to afford that, and to let families know that they're not alone.
And I mean, the statistics really show that they're not alone. Help us to understand, Lieutenant, the challenges and just the issue of drug abuse in Cheatham County. Help us to put it in perspective.
Well, just kind of give you an idea, this week alone, we've already had 6 reported overdoses.
Wow.
And it's just overwhelming numbers. And, you know, of course, we're, our officers are trained to administer Narcan. And we've gone through quite a bit of that in the past week.
Wow.
And but it's every week we're seeing just it keeps on growing. It just seems like there's no end in sight.
My goodness. Why do you think it's important to have an event like this and for the law enforcement community to try to tackle the issue from this particular angle?
Well, you know, we hope that it's going to help spread awareness that how bad the problem is in our community, and also throughout the whole country. It's just a growing trend. The opiate epidemic, it's terrible.
Yeah.
We're hoping that by this event tomorrow can get people in and we can help raise awareness, we can educate some folks, and of course we'll be there to help answer some legal questions and help guide some folks and try to steer some folks in the right direction.
Remarkable effort for sure. And Tanya, do you think a lot of people don't know that there is help out there and that there's help specifically for them in Cheatham County?
I think that's some of it. I think some of it, there is a big stigma around addiction that we would like people to start talking about and know that they shouldn't be ashamed.
Right.
There is help out there.
Right, right. It's an illness. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, and that's why you need that help and to tackle it like an illness with these resources. Thank you both so much for being here and for talking about this and getting this important issue in the forefront of people's minds. It's a very worthy cause. Thank you.
Well, thank you for having us.